Now I am going to discuss the first type of asexual reproduction, that is asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. Unicellular means only the cell, single cell organism. So there are three types of unicellular organism, reproduction in unicellular organism. That is, first one is binary fission, second one is multiple fission, and third one is budding. Third one is budding. Now first of all, we are going to study about binary fission. As the name indicates, binary means two, means the parent divides into two, means from one parent you will get two daughter cell. Such type of division is known as binary fission, and such type of fission is being shown by unicellular organism. Now this unicellular organism may be of two types, that is prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes means under prokaryotes you will get prokaryotic cell, means these are the cell having a plasmid, and eukaryotic not having a plasmid, and eukaryotic means they are having a plasmid. This is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic, and these both type of unicellular organism can take part in binary fission, including Prostis. Now prokaryotes in prokaryotes there will be some bacteria showing such type of binary fission, and in Prostis there will be example like amoeba, paramecium, eugenelia, etc. And in eukaryotic cell like mitochondria and chloroplast perform asexual reproduction by binary fission. Means in eukaryotic cell the cell organelles, means whole cell won't perform binary fission, but in eukaryotic cell the cell organelles, the organ which are present within the eukaryotic cells like mitochondria and chloroplast perform asexual reproduction of binary fission. Now in this process the parent cell divide to form two similar daughter cells, and the binary fission occurs either by mitosis or amitosis. Now what is exactly happening? The axis of fission or the division is different in different prostids. Now this prostid group will divide in three different way, like amoeba divide in any direction, as amoeba is not having a specific shape, so it divides in any direction. So such type of division is known as simple binary fission, which is being shown by amoeba. Now second one, you can observe that there is a division of transfer. The cell is being divided into transfer form. They are having a definite shape and it is being divided in middle. So such type of division is known as transfer binary fission, which is being shown by paramecium. Paramecium is another example of prostids. Now third, you can observe that it is being divided into longitudinal fashion, means in a longitudinal line plane. That's why such division is known as longitudinal binary fission, and such type of fission is being shown by the another prostid, that is eugelina. So these are the three types of binary fission. Now one more thing I want to add here, that binary fission is occurred during favorable condition, means till then whenever the favorable condition is not present, the binary fission stops, take a end. But when the favorable condition comes, it starts replicating, means it starts performing binary fission. Now on the behalf, the second type of fission is known as multiple fission. Now what is being here? Multiple, as again name indicate, binary means two, multiple means more than two. Now what is exactly happening in this fission? This multiple fission is also being shown by the prostids like amoeba and other similar prostid. Now what is actually happening? The amoeba stop the formation of pseudopodia and thereby movement, whether there is a lack of food or any other type of adverse condition. What is exactly happening when, as we have discussed, binary fission taking place in favorable condition? Then once the favorable condition ends, the slowly this organism, or especially amoeba, stops producing any type of parapodiums, means this new organism, at that due to the lack of food or adverse condition, and at that time it surrounds by a protective covering of around the plasma membrane, and such encircled amoeba or such protective covering is known as cyst. Means it is the covering which is very hard, and under that covering the organism remain intact till the favorable condition comes. But it is not quite inside. There are many nuclear formation taking place within the cyst. Now there is nuclei are created, means within the seed the nucleus is divided into number of other nucleus, and it is followed by cytoplasmic division, means each nucleus is surrounded by its own cytoplasm, and thus this combination of nuclei and cytoplasm is known as amoeboly. Amoeboly are formed, but there are many amoebolies. Understood? Because the name is multiple fission, and they remain inside the cyst till their adverse condition. Then cyst breaks on arrival of favorable condition, and this many amoeboli are released in the atmosphere, and due to which they again develop into another mature amoeba, and then this amoeba will enter into a binary fission. So this is the relationship between binary fission and multiple fission.